Chal, Ashley, what's wrong?
Wait, yeah, I can't cancel again.
What did he say?
बोला कि he has some project submission. 3 हफ्तों से he's been cancelling plans. I don't know what's going on.
Did you talk to him about this?
I did, but he just said chill. मतलब वो सिर्फ chill. कुछ problem है तो बोलो ना. I don't know what to do.
Actually, you should like him now.
I do. Everyone knows that. तो उसको ये दिखता ही नहीं. I think he's done. वो ठीक से बात ही नहीं करता. He's the first guy I like so much. But I guess his feelings just lasted for a little while.
आशा मैं तो पहले हो सकता है स्विच समझ यार देख तुझे सब लोग पसंद करती है तेरी रिस्पेक्ट नहीं कर एंड दैट इज नॉट
आशा
वो बाय कर
Listen, break up. Ayan is not the guy. He's not the one. Aisha, I know I'm not making any sense right now, but I need you to trust me on this. You trusted him. You told him some of the most important parts of your life. And what did he do? He broke that trust. Aisha, in all these months, you have sat down and you have listened to each and every one of his problems. But has he ever listened to yours? No, no. I mean, no, not really. But what happened? Aisha, please. You deserve better. Listen. I don't know how to tell you this. But the thing is, Ayan tried to flirt with one of your friends. And I don't get it. How you can be with an idiot like him. Aisha, you deserve better. Please, just break up.
How dare you? Listen, if you don't, I'll break his face.
Please, break up. No, Ayan. You and I are done for good. But I will say one thing. The feelings I had for you were very genuine and very honest. But you never saw that. So thank you for making me realize that one of the biggest mistakes I made is falling for you.
Aisha, can please speak to you for...
Pola na stay away, so stay away, okay?
Guys, please let me talk to her.
Asha, where are you going?
I'm going home. I don't know what to feel right now.
Asha, सुन ना.
मुझे नहीं पता मैं इतनी पागल कैसे हो गई थी अयान के प्यार में.
Asha, hold back. We're here for you.
No, not this time. इस बार I'm genuinely done.
Aisha.
Yeah, I'll just get that for you. Oh, what the hell? Can you not see, blind girl?
Shut up and move ना यार.
Move बोल के खुद चली गई, पागल लड़की.
It was a bad side.
There were 10 marks on the back and I'm stupid.
Hello, Aisha.
I'll be right back. Hi, are you new?
Hi, you could say that. I'm Kabir. And you are?
Aisha. I'm Aisha.
Wait, you don't remember, do you?
I'm sorry.
Oh, what the hell?
Wait. You're the guy who spilled the cold drink on now? Shit, I'm so sorry about that.
Yeah, you were the one who ruined my outfit that time. I hope you don't do that today.
अरे no.
So, what subjects have you taken?
इतनी boring topic से conversation start करने की ज़रूरत है क्या? We can talk about something interesting also.
Okay.
Like, I don't know.
I have to say one thing. Pretty muffat you are. I mean, not every girl I've met on the first day is so bindas.
Oh, hello. I don't want to give you the wrong idea. But if you think I'm flirting, I'm not. Anyways, when did you shift?
Not too long back.
You know what? Let me introduce you to some of my friends. Hello guys, this is Kabir. He just shifted. Hi, I'm Kaira. I'm her self-proclaimed best friend.
I am Jan Ramkrishnan Rajgopalayan. Okay.
So first day?
Yeah, today's my first day. Let's go for coffee. I don't mind.
तेरे से कोई नहीं पूछ रहा है. Okay, चलो. I know an amazing place.
So Aisha, any interests? हाँ, except me, man. Hobby-wise.
Funny. कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो रहा है. But okay, let's see. I love dance. I love films. And yeah, I love to sleep. But what about you? कुछ करना है लाइफ में या सिर्फ flirting?
नहीं, life से expectations है. Music. बचपन से I've been fond of music. And not only rock like most people. Don't judge, लेकिन I love old school Bollywood.
Oh my god, no way! I'm a lunatic when it comes to old classic Bollywood films. Or to be honest, Bollywood in general.
Chalo, finally I met someone who loves Bollywood as much as I do.
Acha, listen, I have to go out with friends today. But stay in touch. Text me.
Okay, sure. Bye. Take care. Go safe, okay? Aisha, क्या हुआ? You look really upset today.
It's Ayan's birthday today. My ex, you can say.
अच्छा tell me, वो ex एक reason से है ना? Aisha, you're okay ना?
Yeah, I am. But I was just wondering whether I should have broken up with him, yaar. It's been 4 months. Still a part of me refuses to move on. There were just so many memories.
देखो, I know how hard breakups are. And you know, sometimes when you like someone a lot, there's always a part of you which refuses to move on. And sometimes it takes too long. But you know, love is trial and error. You have to keep exploring and trying out different options to see what is right for you.
No, I can't, Kabir. I can't do it again. It's too tough to go through that again. Plus, love is an absolutely dumb concept.
Stupid and just not worth it.
Come on, Aisha. Okay, I'll tell you something. हम किसी चीज से जितना दूर भागेंगे ना, उतनी ही वो चीज हमारे पीछे आएगी. And love isn't always perfect. It isn't always at first sight. But when it's the right one, you just know. Or it's unexpected, it's complicated. And you know, सच्चा प्यार ना कभी लॉजिकल नहीं होता. Love makes you feel happy. It gives you satisfaction. Love na completes to people. And true love lasts forever. हमेशा हमेशा. अभी तो हम बहुत छोटे उसके लिए. Oh, hello.
But Kabir, if love was so easy, तो दिल तो कभी टूटता ही नहीं. But ऐसा हुआ नहीं ना. See, अगर दिल तो टूटने ही वाला है, then what's the point?
But just because प्यार में हम एक बार धोखा खाए, doesn't mean that we don't give it another chance.
Yeah, you're right. But what's the point? दिल तो टूटने ही वाला है ना कबीर. See, love isn't so simple. It's very complicated. And you know, love hurts a lot more when you love a person so much.
Aisha, feelings या emotions को deny करके आज तक ना किसी ने कुछ पाया है, ना ही कभी पाएगा. Accept your emotions. Because what's the point of playing hide and seek with your own feelings?
Yeah, you're right.
But you know what? Bhul jao. Forget it ever happened. You wanna go for a walk? Oh, hello, madam. Kaira? You bozo? You haven't met me in like 2 months. चल क्या रहा है बे?
अरे वो ना मैं प्राइम मिनिस्टर बन रही थी इलेक्शंस के बाद, इसलिए इतना बिजी स्केड्यूल यू नो. और एनीवेज योर नो लेस, जब से उस कबीर की दोस्त बनी है, हम आपके हैं कौन?
Hurry. I had to talk about that only. Yeah, he's nice. And it's been like 4 months since I've broken up. And I finally think I me like someone, but मुझे नहीं पता ना.
माँ अब क्या हुआ? जैसी तू बट बोलती है ना, मुझे लगता है कि मैं टेंशन के मारे हॉस्पिटल पहुंच जाऊंगी.
Shut up, कथेरी. Anyways, सुनना यार.
हाँ बोलो बोलो. What happened? Who's this new लड़का? Wait, is it that Kabir guy? It is him ना? I knew it. हाय मेरी आयशा को फिर से प्यार हो गया. बोलना. It's him only. It's him only.
Yeah, it's him only. But I'm scared to like him. I'm scared that I will just go girl. And generally, I don't want to deal with that again.
Listen, Aisha, I get that. But when has love ever been simple? Big. If you like him because उसने तुझे इतना comfort दिया, then maybe you just find him nice. But if it's not the case, then you like him. And honestly, that's completely fine also.
Yeah, you're right. You know what? I shouldn't overthink. I don't even want to be in a relationship right now. I just want to be happy. And talking to him makes me happy. So, I'll just talk to him as friends. And that's it. So, Charan, what about you? How have you been?
Nothing much, just the same old, same old.
Aisha, hi. Listen, I just wanted to say sorry. I know you can never trust me again, but please, if you can just forgive me, that's it.
No, Ayan, I can't just forgive you. Because today, if I forgive you, your guilt will go up. And you're just going to do it to some other girl. Again. So it's just better if you just leave me alone.
Hello.
Hi, Kabir. Listen,
Yeah, tell me.
are you free tonight?
Yeah, what happened?
Can you meet?
Okay, but हुआ क्या?
Something urgent. I'll tell you tomorrow. Okay, bye.
अरे
राहुल मैं शायद फाइनल टर्म के लिए भी वापस नहीं आऊँ.
What happened? Why did you want to meet so urgently?
Okay, Kabir, shut up. And listen to me and don't say a word until I finish.
Okay, I won't say anything. But हुआ क्या? Thriller से भी ज़्यादा suspenseful तो ये है ना?
No, promise me कि no matter what happens, we will always remain friends. Promise?
हाँ बाबा, I promise. But हुआ क्या?
See, I don't want to be in a relationship right now. And I could be overthinking my feelings. But feelings hai shayad. I don't know. I mean, I like you. Bola na, don't interrupt.
Okay, sorry, I thought you were done. Continue.
See, feelings hai to hai, and I can't control them. Plus, feelings बिना सोचे समझे हो जाती है. और अब है मुझे feelings. And with time, they will go away. But I don't want things to be awkward between us, you and me.
Now can I talk?
Yes, please say something.
Okay, listen. I didn't have any intentions of making you catch feelings for me at all. But I understand feelings हो जाती है. And that's okay. But I can't return those feelings. Aisha, sorry. I don't want to not give you the love you deserve because I don't want to hurt you. But yeah, we'll still be friends.
That's it.
क्या और क्या ही बोलूं?
Nothing. Don't say anything.
Aisha, listen, I'm sorry. Aisha, listen. We will still be the best of friends, and I'm always here for you. I can't return those feelings. Aisha, sorry. I don't want to not give you the love you deserve because I don't want to hurt you. But yeah, we'll still be friends.
I loved that. It was so
Hi,
fun.
what's up?
Hello.
So, Aisha, have you two spoken to each other?
Leon, it's been 2 days. What's wrong with you? No, it's
Yeah, come
okay.
on. It is.
I have spoken to him and things feel awkward and normal at the same time. It's confusing. I mean, after all, we were just friends. So it's fine, honestly. Pakka, you're okay now? Yeah, don't worry. You know, all of this drama has definitely taught me one thing. Sometimes some things are just not meant to be. And it's for our own good only. But मेरे लिए, as long as हम तीन एक साथ हैं, I don't need anybody else.
Chalo, enough of this. Now I'm going for a swim. Also, I don't know how to swim.
Doesn't he? I don't think so. But I think we should push him. Come.
Stress, I think.
What?
What do you
My last diary entry for the year. I think is that I've learned a lot. But something very important that I learned this year was that जिस चीज़ को हम कई बार प्यार समझते हैं वो हमेशा रोमांटिक हो ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं. I mean, लाइफ में बहुत चीज़ें हैं. कई बार things don't go as planned. और प्यार, well, that never goes as planned. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं कि प्यार सिर्फ एक रोमांटिक रिलेशनशिप में हो. In reality, love is everywhere, with everybody. दोस्तों में, पेरेंट्स से, बिकॉज फीलिंग्स फोर्स नहीं की जाती है, वो बस हो जाती है. एनीवेज, हर चीज का there's a right time. So don't take life so seriously. Because with the right people, सब कुछ अच्छा लगता है. And that is what is love.
I'm like, it's fun, it's exciting. I'm very scared still. Yeah, it's been nice.
If you could describe what's our one role for you.
Interesting. Maybe exhilarating, you know.
Oh my!
Ready, camera.
Rolling, guys!
Okay. बैग लेके चली जाती तो अच्छा लगता.
Okay. Rolling. Hello.
Lights,
Ready.
roll camera,
Rolling.
roll sound,
Rolling.
scene 6, seat 8.
Actually.
The going conversation what?
Hi, I'm Jan Graf.
That's right. काफी बोर हो रहा है. I don't mind. काफी बोर हो रहा है. किसका बोल रहा है?
Stay away.